We need to call Jason and see about their transfer that's coming through to make sure it's coming through today, hopefully.
We buy in old gold and everything else. Periodically, when we know the price is relatively high, and it has gone up in the last few days, we send that off to London by courier. They melt it, they test it, and they send us a back payment directly. Jason's our bullion dealer in London. Hi there, I thought you were out sunning yourself, seeing as it's lunchtime. It's Mike Lane from Lane's Jewellery. I know that both our parcels have landed, and I'm just confirming that you're able to do that transfer today, please.
Gold price. Okay, this is down at the 13th of February, say £1,600 an ounce, and today, you know, we're there about 1,700 because we have to keep moving in and out of gold. Gold's cash, cash gold sort of thing. Today is a good day to get the payment.